My friends, I don't normally come to Costco on a Sunday, but I got the email yesterday like you did too. They started a sale, but this is the quick sale. It's called the Hot Warehouse Buys, and time is of the essence because this only lasts until this coming Saturday. So we're gonna walk around and show you a few items that are on sale for great prices that are Bobby approved. And spoiler alert, I just did a lap. There's a new item here that's been longly anticipated. So without further ado, less talking, more shopping, let's go. My friends, how excited was I the other week when I walked by and I saw they finally had Lesser Evil popcorn, which is cooked in best in class coconut oil. And now it's on the flash sale for $4.49. It's literally 60% cheaper than the grocery store. But they chose the wrong flavor. They didn't pick the OG, they picked the Himalayan Gold. And it's a buttery flavored coconut oil Himalayan salt. And because they want to keep it, I guess, plant-based, instead of putting butter, they use organic butter type flavor. It's a natural flavor. So if they just chose the original one that's cooked with salt and organic popcorn and coconut oil, it'd be perfectly Bobby approved. This falls under the better for you option, but not Bobby approved. But it begs a very interesting question. If we had to play a game of which one would Bobby choose, this one or Skinny Pop, which doesn't have the natural flavors, but it has sunflower oil, which would you choose? I would choose this one because sunflower oil is highly processed and inflammatory. This has an anti-inflammatory oil, and I deem natural flavors as less bad for you than this. Close, but not quite. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in forever, Costco has a Bobby approved potato chip. It was what? 3 weeks ago, I kept pounding the table saying, when is Costco gonna have a chip cooked in a good oil? And shortly after that video, a lot of DMs and emails came saying, Bobby, this is in my Costco. And now it's here too. This is one of the best. This is a sweet potato chip cooked in best in class, anti-inflammatory, healthy avocado oil. More importantly, I know it's not on sale, but it's an honorable mention. 41 cents an ounce. Every other store has this for 80 to 90 cents an ounce. This is a steal. We put this in Rose's lunchbox almost every day. And if you look at every other potato chip at Costco, it's always cooked in sunflower, canola, safflower oil, the processed inflammatory oils. Not anymore. Hip, hip, hooray. Bobby approved chips are here to stay. When I say this is a good price on Medjool dates, this is an amazing price. One time I had to buy them in another store. They were $11 a pound for Medjool dates that are big and jammy. On sale for $2 off, sub $5 a pound. These are big and fat. If you can squeeze them, they're very juicy, they're not dried out, and they have the pits in them. Pro tip, you don't want to buy pitted because when they do that, more air gets in there and they tend to dry out. Such a great snack. Also, Desi has an amazing recipe from our second cookbook for date brownies. The only sweetener in them is dates, and you blend it in a food processor with cocoa and eggs. It's an amazing recipe. I'll pin down below in the description box. If you're looking for amazing dates at an amazing price, scoop it. We'll take a really quick break from the video because Birch Living, who makes the organic mattresses in every room of the house, wanted to sponsor this video. A lot of fans always ask me for the discount code. The link's below. 20% off your mattress of choice and 2 free eco pillows. But I always talk about non-toxic ingredients in food and non-toxic ingredients and products in the home. And yeah, you can think of dish detergent and air fresheners, but believe it or not, the materials used for most mattresses are toxic. The glues, the adhesives, and they off-gas over time. And when you're sleeping on your bed, ideally 8 or 9 hours a night for me, you don't want to be around those toxins. Well, Birch Living makes the organic birch mattress. They don't have any of the materials that will off-gas. Most importantly, it's super comfortable. It's made with like 5 materials. You order online, the bed comes to your home. Me and Rose have set up basically every mattress in the house, and they have a 25-year warranty and a 100-night sleep trial. So if you're in the market for a mattress, use my link down below, birchliving.com/FlavCity. 20% off your mattress of choice, 2 free pillows. I do recommend, if you love a good pillow, to upgrade to the organic pillow. I love it so much, I take it with me when I travel. But if you're in the market, check my link down below, you will love it. You might not get excited about sponges being on sale, but I do, because this is not your traditional sponge. This is the Scrub Daddy, and it's $3.50. And it's really important to use this for certain textures of cookware, such as non-stick. If you have my Flav City non-toxic cookware set, or any kind of non-stick pan, you don't want to use abrasive scrubbing because it actually scratches the non-stick. Even the tough side, or like the scrubbing side of a sponge, is too abrasive. It creates micro scratches in your non-stick, which affects the non-stick ability. Something like this, which I believe is made of nylon, scratch free. It will not make micro scratches and it won't affect your pan. Very important also, like if you're still using Teflon, which I recommend not to, scratches make the forever chemicals come up into your food. And if you're using a ceramic non-toxic pan, anytime you scratch it, it just is gonna make the non-stick ability, like I said, not very good. So this is fantastic. Use it on all your non-stick. I have ceramic sheet trays, I have ceramic pans, and if you haven't tried the Flavor City cookware yet, all of it's non-toxic, but the best seller is the ceramic non-stick pan. It's fantastic. Let's do 25% off all my cookware, including the pan, using promo code Costco for the next couple weeks on flavorcitycookware.com. There's a couple of air fryers on sale. One's not great, one's Bobby approved. This is the Sur La Table one. Now what's interesting, if you look inside, it looks like it's aluminum or steel, which is nice, but always look what the racks are made of. And they have the pictures here, and I can guarantee you, if you look closely, they're coated in Teflon or non-stick. And when you think about how these can get up to 400 degrees, and you stick tongs in there and forks, and once you scrape that, the forever chemicals will leach into the environment and your food. So anytime there's non-stick that's Teflon or forever chemical based in your stuff like this in the baskets, you want to avoid it. Luckily, I said there was a better option. There's 2 air fryers on sale right now. And if we come down yonder, this is the one that's Bobby approved and on sale. It's a Ninja. It's a Ninja 10-in-1 countertop. Actually, this has been on sale before. If you look at the picture, it's a space saver one. So you can actually push it up and it folds up. Let's take a closer look here. Inside, it's made of steel. The rack made of steel. And as pictured, the frying rack that has the perforations, stainless steel. I don't see any Teflon on this. It's $40 off. I'd say the negative or the con possibly is the fact that it's not huge, so you can't get a lot of stuff in there, but you do have 10 options, including dehydration, hello homemade kale chips. If you want one that's on sale right now, go for this air fryer. All right, friends, that is it from Costco. Like I said before, this is a quick sale. You only have until the upcoming weekend, and there are some great Bobby approved items on sale. But I got some Sunday shopping to do and then head home. I will see you soon. Until then, hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Bye.